Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're going to see how to see our dashboard from Power BI into PowerPoint, and it will be also interactive as we design it. Also how to convert it to photo without many steps. So let's start. After finalizing the dashboard, we go to publish our dashboard to the Power BI service. Save and publish. I will select my workspace, select, and it will be uploaded. Okay. If you open the Power BI surface, you will see in the workspace your dashboard. When you open, you will find the pages for all your dashboard here. I will select the page which I need to add it to PowerPoint, and from here share. But before this, make sure you subscribe for the Pro license. I think it costs around $10 per month. Here I tried for as a free 6 days. But this function, as I said, this function work only with the Pro license. From here, share, you will find some options. You can include anyone from your organization, whatever, but I am interested now in the PowerPoint. When you select, you will get two options, copy the link or open in PowerPoint. Open in PowerPoint, sometimes it not work good. It take time to load all of this. So I will copy the link from here and I will open empty PowerPoint. If you open, you will not find anything where I supposed to attach the link. Okay. Some version you will find this icon Power BI. If you don't have it, select here, get add-on, make search for Power BI, and select Microsoft Power BI, not tiles, Power BI, add, continue. It will open like this. Okay, here paste the PowerPoint link which you copied before, insert. It could require to sign in again with your email, organization email. Here we come, you can see your dashboard. What is the option we have here? First, you can change, resize this one as you can, so you can add it in the way you want. So it could be size of the page or less, up to you. But what is another option? If you don't like to see this tab here, just click this one and it will disappear. What else? From here, I can refresh the data if I make update to the online surface and I have new data. So just click here, refresh, and it will get the new numbers. Also, this filter tab, if you don't like it, you can hide it from here, show or hide filter pane, like this, will disappear. In the filter, if I select any visual, I can adjust or readjust the filters. Since I am the creator for this dashboard, there is another setting to disable this option when you share it with another user, so he cannot change the filters, or you can allow him to edit the filters. For me now, I will hide this filter. Also, I will hide this, nothing more here. This is learn to know more about Power BI, clear the data, so it will delete all of this and start from beginning to add a new link. The interested option here, I will tell you, but I will duplicate this first. The interested option here, sometimes you don't want to share the interactive dashboard with everyone. Maybe they don't have a Power BI license to see this add-in, or for any another reason. So I can select whatever I need to select, and easily from here show as saved image. It will capture the current dashboard as image like this. Now it's image. You can even crop if you want, but to crop it you have to Control X, Control V, for example, and here as a picture. Okay, then all of the picture setting you can adjust. If I want to see this, so C, Control V, and here crop again. I can readjust this, for example, this one here. Okay, crop, and I can take it to put it another place like this. Control V. Even I can readjust the crop area again like this. I think this option is very good. You can make a page to show a specific visual and show it on direct on PowerPoint. So there are many ideas about how to use Power BI with the PowerPoint. I hope this video is good for you, and thanks for your watching.